And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Real quick video this. There's been a few comments on one of the Facebook groups with the R50. This relates to the R8 and probably some of the other newer Canon cameras. And I've just got the camera, and unfortunately you can see I've got it rigged up a bit weird, but anyway. And I've got the camera set up in one-shot AF. So you can point, it goes green and you're in focus. But I've noticed, especially with a noisier lens, AF motor in the lens, that it's still always focusing. So stick my hand in front of it, look. It'll focus over there, put my hand in it, focus on me. Focus on my little camera. And they're walking around, putting it in the ground, and it's always focusing. And I want to know what's the problem. They've not got it on servo. They've not got it on servo AF, where obviously it's going to focus all the time. I've got it on one shot, but it's still focusing all the time. It's a simple fix. Go into the menu, go to the AF tab. Page number 2, we've got Preview AF. We'll disable that. Now I'll focus on there, put my hand in front. Doesn't refocus. Doesn't refocus. Refocus. Half pressing focuses, but doesn't refocus all the time. And that's what we need to do, because that Preview AF is for a situation where you want to bring something up in front of the lens, get it to refocus and then go back to you straight away. But it's doing it all the time. So that's just a quick fix. Enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.